Many hiccups ahead of the Ethereum merge, a certain crypto community believes that ETH price would trade above the US dollar 2000 mark by the end of September. But is this truly a possibility or a mere speculation? Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and the world of Web 3.0. Before we take a look at some of the top news in the market, let's take a quick look at the global cryptocurrency market cap, which stood at US dollar 1 trillion and noted a 0.18% decrease over the last day. While Bitcoin's price is still struggling under the 22,000 US dollar mark, Ethereum's price noted a minor uptick in terms of price on its one-day chart, and ETH was up by 1% over the last day. Ethereum's price had finally made its way above the 1650 resistance, under which it had been playing for the last 1 week. Ethereum's price is still, however, down by close to 10% on the weekly charts. On the other hand, Bitcoin is down by 8% on the weekly chart. That said, some of the top gainers in the market were tokens like Anchor, Helium, Zilliqa. Cosmos was one of the few alts in the top 25 cryptocurrencies by market cap that was also up by 5%. However, more or less, it seemed like the larger crypto market cap was still consolidating, as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the top altcoins still performed under their key resistance levels. That said, analyst Michael van der Poel said that due to last week's corrections, many altcoins have been dropping beneath their 50-day moving averages, and as this 50-day MA is overtaken, many altcoins could expect a decent surge in terms of price. He has also said that AVAX or Avalanche can be one of the crucial altcoins to watch out in the coming weeks. Reclaiming this 50-day MA level would trigger some serious activation, is what the analyst has said. That said, Michael has also looked at the ETH versus BTC chart, and he's noted that Ethereum's price has generated better gains in terms of price comparison with Bitcoin. Whenever Ethereum's price has charted better gains with respect to Bitcoin, we have seen a decent price momentum for Ethereum as well. And now with the merge upcoming, can Ethereum finally see the price uptick that the market has been expecting? Well, it's not all that simple. An Ethereum software developer has announced on Twitter that they have found a regression that results in a corrupted state. He has further explained that it was probably one of the pull requests that had merged towards a new storage model. The developer has also highlighted some other problems that are upcoming with the merge, so it is clear that the rather anticipated Ethereum merge doesn't come without its own hiccups. The team lead has said that they have found an issue with Ethereum, and it unfortunately means that there's a high probability that anyone running the release will have their DB fried. However, he has stated that the fun part about the issue is that the data loss happens only on shutdowns, so none of the benchmarks have got it. That said, despite these minor hiccups, the coin market community has still maintained a bullish stance on Ethereum's price. The coin market's price estimates that the community has projected Ethereum will trade at least 2000 US dollar by the end of September, which means that Ethereum's current price will have to chart a close to 30% increase in terms of price. And with September upcoming in just a few days, this could be a crucial time for Ethereum. Moving on, a good news for crypto lovers, as 60% of US parents want their kids to study more about cryptocurrencies. A recent poll by study.com has highlighted that close to 64% parents in the US believe that their kids should be taught about cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, 40% parents believe that their kids should also be taught about blockchain, while 35% parents want their kids to be taught about the Metaverse, and 25% parents want kids to also study about NFTs. Over 3/4 of parents invested in crypto have contributed an average of $766 to their children's education. This means that quite a few crypto investors are now raising children and want their kids to know more about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Before wrapping up, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin's price chart. Bitcoin has been struggling under the $22,000 mark for the last 4 days. We can see that for the last 5 days, almost 5 days, Bitcoin's price has noted a downtick in price. There is quite a bit of weakening of retail momentum for Bitcoin. We see that trade volumes have noted a slight decline, and Bitcoin's price still oscillates under the $22,000 mark. And once Bitcoin is able to establish above this key resistance support level, we can expect another uptick in price. Whether it'll be a short-term uptick or long-term uptick is something that we are yet to see. That said, never forget to do your own research in the cryptocurrency market, as digital assets are highly volatile. But if you want to stay on top of cryptocurrency, blockchain and Web3 news, don't forget to subscribe to Voice of Crypto's YouTube channel. And if you liked our video, don't forget to hit that like button.